Hey everyone, this is Dan at Performance Motorworks. I'm standing out in front of the shop today at our front door, and I wanted to introduce you to our night drop box, just in case you do need to drop off a car either before or after hours, just to show you how and where to do that. So if you come with me over here by the front door on your right hand side, we have this box. We have a clipboard with some envelopes and a pen. And what you're going to do is grab the envelope and a pen, go ahead and fill out all your information on here. Be sure to sign the bottom of it. You're going to take the key to your vehicle here, put it right inside the envelope. It's got some things on here, you can seal it up. And then after you do that, don't put it back in the box up there. Be sure to put it in our front mail slot right here. Drop it right through. We'll retrieve that first thing in the morning and we'll reach out to you to arrange working on your vehicle. So if you have any questions at all about the process, give us a call, 916-624-9656. You can also go online at pmwonline.com and send us an email or chat us through our website. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.